In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate the process of deactivating your Fiverr account. This could be a step you've decided to take for various reasons, whether you're looking to streamline your online presence or you're simply not using the platform as much as you anticipated. Whatever your reason, I'm here to guide you through each step of the process seamlessly. Let's start at the very beginning by heading over to Fiverr's website. Once you're on the Fiverr homepage, you'll want to locate the Sign In button. It's usually found at the top right corner of the screen. Click on it to proceed to the login page. If you haven't logged into your account for a while, make sure you enter your credentials correctly to avoid any login issues. Enter your email or username and password, then hit the Sign In button. After successfully logging in, navigate to the Orders section. It's a good habit to check for any outstanding or pending transactions, ensuring everything is cleared before you move forward. This can prevent any interruptions in the deactivation process later on. With your account in good standing, your next step is to access your profile. By clicking on your profile icon, a drop-down menu should appear. From there, select Account Settings. This will take you to the area where most of your personal settings and preferences are located. Once you're in the account settings, look for the Personal Information tab. Clicking on this will bring you to a page where your registered information is stored. Here, you'll see an option to choose a reason for deactivating your account. It's important to select a reason that best suits your decision, although the process will let you proceed regardless of which one you choose. After selecting your reason, you'll notice a button that says Deactivate Account. Clicking this is your final step in initiating the deactivation process. It's worth noting that deactivating your account will mean losing access to your Fiverr account, so make sure you've saved any necessary information or completed any important tasks beforehand. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you should have successfully deactivated your Fiverr account. Remember, if you change your mind in the future, you might need to go through a reactivation process or create a new account depending on Fiverr's policies. I hope you found this guide helpful and that it made the process clear and easy to follow. Thank you for joining me in today's video. If you have any more questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to leave a comment and I'll be glad to help. See you in the next video.